late night pets. This cat, he loves the butt scratches. Can't stand the butt scratches. Oh, bless you.